Two neighbors earn the exact same salary, 100,000 a year, side by side. Come tax season, the first hands nearly a third of it to the government. The second pays a fraction of that, and every bit of it is legal. This isn't a loophole, and it isn't tax advice. It's simply the logic the wealthy quietly use. So what does the second neighbor understand that the first one doesn't? Here is the uncomfortable truth. The tax code isn't really a punishment. It is a set of instructions. Governments use it to encourage what they want more of: housing, businesses, jobs, long-term investment. Do those things, and the code quietly rewards you. It comes down to a handful of moves, and the one most people never notice I have saved for last. It starts with a fact almost no one is taught. Not all income is taxed the same way. The money from a job, your wage, sits at the very top of the ladder. It is usually taxed at the highest rates and taken first. But money that comes from owning things, shares, property, a business, is usually taxed far more gently. So the wealthy do not chase a bigger wage. They quietly move their income down the ladder. And the way down that ladder is ownership. Your time has a ceiling. What you own does not, and the tax code knows it. An employee is paid for hours, and the tax comes off before they ever see it. An owner is paid by an asset and gets to subtract the real costs first, paying tax only on what is left. Once your money is working, the next question is where you keep it, because that changes how much of it survives. Most governments offer sheltered accounts for retirement or long-term saving, where your money grows untouched by tax for decades. Sheltered from tax, the very same savings can grow meaningfully more over a lifetime. Inside those accounts and outside them, one more force is quietly working: time. The code rewards the patient. Sell an investment within a year, and it is often taxed like a wage. In some countries, holding it longer can lower the rate considerably. And in a bad year, losses can be set against gains, so you are taxed only on what you truly made. Which brings us to the move employees almost never see. A business is taxed in the opposite order to you. You earn, get taxed, then spend whatever is left. A business earns, spends on what it needs, and is taxed only on the remainder. The equipment, the software, the tools that genuinely serve it come out before the tax, not after. So if all of this is legal and written down in plain sight, why do so few people ever use it? Because the loudest income, the wage, is the most heavily taxed one, and it is the one we are all trained to chase. Nobody really hides these rules. They are simply made dull enough and buried deep enough that you would never read them. And because moving down the ladder means owning something, and owning means starting before you feel ready. You do not need a hidden island or a clever accountant's trick. You need to stop earning only like an employee and start owning like an investor. Find the sheltered accounts your country offers, hold for the long term, and let what you own, not just what you do, begin to pay you. The wealthy did not break the rules, they just bothered to read them. And now, so have you. If the code feels a little less like a wall and a little more like a map, then you know what to do. I will see you in the next one.